Hi, in this video, I'll be explaining how to do post-deployment monitoring with Doctor Droid. A few prerequisites for this one. You set up Doctor Droid, you've added at least one playbook, and you added a Slack or MS Teams integration. Now, let me paint you a picture. And for example, let's say there is a critical deployment that's planned to be done. Now, what you need to do is you need to track a set of logs and metrics continuously post-deployment. What we know is that on such a large scale, deployment monitoring just never feels done. You monitor everything with tight thresholds. Then these tight thresholds combined with a noisy service lead to frequent pages. Then you find out that something broke, and then you go back to step one, and then you just monitor everything again with tight thresholds. And there's just it's just a big hassle. Now, what we can do to make this easier is we can set up a post-deployment monitoring workflow. Let me go to the Doctor Droid platform and we have workflows over here. Let me create a new workflow for this purpose. Let's say testing post-deployment monitoring. All right, I'm going to select a trigger, let's say API trigger, and I'm going to select one playbook. Now I'm going to execute this playbook and publish its summary in Slack. Let me select a channel and let me set up a cron schedule over here. For example, I want it to run every minute. So I'm going to set up a cron schedule every minute, and then I'm going to save it. And I'm going to save the workflow. Let's trigger it. I'm going to copy this API trigger. I'm going to go to my terminal and I'm going to run. You can see it says success true workflow run ID business. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my platform. I'm going to go to the workflows page. And you can see over here that the workflow is scheduled. Now the workflow is scheduled at 35. So let's wait for a minute and then we'll see the output over here. As you can see that the workflow is executed and you can see the output of the CloudWatch metrics that we have and that we asked for and the Google Cloud monitoring metrics. So this is how we can set up continuously monitored workflow. Still running. And yeah, thank you for watching.